Hey, welcome. In this video, I'm going to look at a tool called System Informer. I was browsing online and I came across that software. This software will basically help you to understand what is going on with your Windows machine. So you can look at CPU, the memory, the GPU, the CPU, performance information. You can look at processes running on your system, services. You can even look at the firewall on your system in real time. You can also use their tool to look for hidden processes, and that can help you to discover malicious activities going on your network. In the secure communication class, where they look at the process analyzer with sysinternal, they kind of look at processes that are running on the system. But what I noticed from sysinformer, it gives you the whole breakdown of your system. That is processors, services, firewall, your drive, your disk drive, and a whole lot of good things that will help you understand your system. Now, when you are running sysinformer and you come across something that you don't understand as a student, just learning your way around, looking at your system, the services, if you don't understand it, you can right click on the particular entry and copy and go to an AI like ChatGPT and put in there kindly explain this line from an output by system informer, and then you can paste the item in there and let's see what it's going to tell us. Okay, and it breaks down the entire thing. This line from the output provides information about a specific process related to your microphone usage. Here's a breakdown. They break everything down, tell you the amount of memory is being used. They tell you shows the user account under the process that is running is a built-in account with high level privilege on the system. Okay, and they give you the name of the process. So this is a simple way that you can learn how your computer is functioning while using sysinformer to learn about your system. If you look at sysinformer, you can download it from the website, and I'm not in any shape or form related to this organization. I was just browsing the internet and I thought it was a cool software, and it could help students to learn more about activities that are occurring on their personal computers. So if you look here, you once you start a program, so watch what happens when I open a program. So I'm going to open a Proton VPN. Do that on my computer. I have Proton VPN installed. So watch what happens when I open. I'm going to slide this screen to the right. When I click on Proton VPN, you will see that Proton VPN immediately shows as a process. When I double click on it, it's going to show me more about the process. I'm going to drag it in here. Okay, it gives you general, tell you verified by Proton AG, and it give you where the program is located, and some other performance, show you the performance, show you different handles, and you can it show you your disk information. So you can learn a lot about your computer system by using this software along with an AI to learn more about what is going on, because some of these things, when you see them, it can be very challenging. And if a new student is trying to learn these things, it can be overwhelming. But by using AI along with the Sys Informer tool, they can learn to understand the system. So if you look here, you will see that I'm running the OBS program that does recording, and you will see that it's running in there. Now, once you close, now if I close a program right now, you'll see that the process will go away. Now, if you look at some of the tools in here, you can look at the network tools. You can do a whois. So take, for example, if I'm looking at my firewall and I come across an IP address, a remote IP address, I can paste that remote IP address into the tools here, and it's gonna, okay, so now I see a remote IP address. See what we are going on here. Okay, these are all local. So if I see, I'm gonna open a website. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna bring the System Informer on top. In here, hold on one second. Okay. I'm gonna bring the System Informer here. Firewall in here. Okay. So everything is internal. So let me open another browser in here. And I'm gonna go to google.com. And I'm gonna go to System Informer in here. And you see my firewall now is showing that I got some outbound traffic, and it showed me the IP address. So if I want to copy, I could copy this IP address in here, right? And go into tools. So it's 172.253.63.16, 253.63.16, 253.63.16. So I can go in here is 172.253.63. Let me see the code. 253.63.136. And when I click OK, it's going to give me the whois information about that site, and it'll tell me that's Google, right? And give you all the address and information. So with AI and this tool, you can learn more about your system. So I recommend that students use this approach to learn more about the system. Another tool that I saw here that was very important is to scan for zombie processes. Okay, zombie processes is you have processes that we exit, but the parent will not get the signal, and they're gonna be showing. And then you have hidden processes. So sometimes malware will try to hide itself, and you can basically check to see whether you have any hidden process on your system. Okay, so that's a lot of things you can do with this tool. The last one I want to show you is your system information. When you click on system information, it shows you your network, your disk, your memory, your CPU. So if your CPU is high, you will be able to see and then investigate. Okay. All right. So there are a lot of things you can do here. You see that the last time when I did another video, I blocked some traffic on my network, and you're gonna see the traffic being dropped. Yeah, you see some being dropped and everything. So check it out and look at it. Use AI, learn what the particular entry is, what service it is. So let's assume I want to learn what service is this, right? I can copy this right now, and you can either copy the name or copy the whole line. Go into your AI tool and say, kindly explain this line entry from the software called System Informer. Let me spell this right. System Informer. And once you do that and paste that in there and click search, it's going to let you know what's going on here. Okay. System Informer regarding the Apple mobile device service, provide keys, details about the particular service, and tell you the name of the service is responsible for managing connection between your. So if you see that on your system and you have an iPad and or iPhone, you can go ahead and say, you know what, okay, yeah. Now, if you don't have that device on your you don't have any of those devices, and you see this process, then maybe you want to investigate it further. Okay, so learn it, use it, and for those who are into cyber security analysis, who want to be analysts, IT admins, students who are aspiring to go in that direction can use this to kind of learn and use AI to help them understand these outputs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.